Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or evening whenever you are watching this video. My name is Satya Putratama and I'm Jakarta State University student. Study program is tourism. And now, I want to explain Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief novel. General information. Novel title is Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief. The author is Rick Riordan. The genre is fantasy. The page is 454. Date release is July 1st, 2005. Main character on this novel is Percy Jackson, and the second character have Annabeth Case, Grover, Siren, Hades, Poseidon, Luke Castellan, Zeus, Ares, and Athena. Setting of this novel, the time is morning, noon, afternoon, evening, field trip at the end of the school year, and the summer vacation. The place is the Metropolitan Art Museum, Genci Academy, the Half Caste Camp, Percy Apartment and his mother, Medusa's Lair, Gateway Arts, Waterland, Hotel and Lotus Casino, Santa Monica Beach, Krusty Waterbed Place, Underworld World, Empire State Building, and Mount Olympus. The climate is fear, confusion, and uncertainty, tense, angry, sad, and happy. The next is plot. The background. Percy is a 12-year-old 6th grader with dyslexia and ADHD. He is the son of demigod. Had a friend named Grover and Annabeth. Conflict. Zeus' lightning bolt is gone, and the first person suspect by Zeus is Poseidon. Sons is Percy. And the conflict development. Hades lost his darkness helmet, and it turns out Hades had nothing to do with the theft of Zeus' lightning. Something that really went wrong with what Percy and his friend thought. The next is rising action. Percy and his friend are searching for his mother who's been captured by Minotaur. And climax. When Percy was fighting over Zeus' lightning bolt with Luke Castellan. And the last is resolution. Eventually, Zeus' lightning and Hades' helmet return to their respective owners, and no more wars in the Olympians. This is my favorite scene, the first of which is when Percy fights Luke Castellan for a fight against Zeus' lightning bolt. When Percy uses his full power to defeat Luke Castellan and successfully takes lightning bolt away from the thief. And the second was when they fight Hydra to get a pearl on the crown of the Athena statue in the Parthenon.
Now, I want to tell you about novel Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. The Lightning Thief is narrated in the first-person past tense by Percy Jackson, a 12-year-old diagnosed with dyslexia and ADHD. While on a school trip to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the chaperones, Miss Dodds, turns into a fury and attacks him. Percy's favorite teacher, Mr. Brunner, lends Percy a magical sword pen to defeat her. After school lets out, Percy goes on a trip to Long Island with his mother Sally. In the middle of the night, Percy's friends Grover Underwood reveal himself as a satyr and tells them they are in danger. The three drive to a mysterious summer camp, but the Minotaur attacks them, grabs Sally, and causes her to disappear in a blinding flash of gold light. Believing his mother has died, Percy kills the beast with one of its own horns, drags on unconscious Grover into the camp and soon falls unconscious himself. When Percy awakens, he learns that the camp is called Camp Half-Blood, and that he is a demigod, the son of a human and a Greek god, he is into camp life and meets several other demigods including Luke Castellan and Annabeth Case. One night, Percy, Grover, and Annabeth went leave from the camp to look for a lost mother and Zeus' thunderbolt, because if it hasn't been returned to Zeus in the summer, there will be war on Olympus. Percy got Luke Castellan for help. Luke got a flying shoe and a shield. Eventually, they went on their way to search for three pearls for to return from hell. They went on their way to find the first pearl, which turned out to be Medusa's lair. But Percy managed to defeat Medusa by beheading her and carrying her. Then, they continued searching for the second pearl that was in the Parthenon replica. The pearls were on the goddess Athena's crown, but they had to wait for the night because there were still many visitors. After nightfall, the three of them tried to take the pearls. Percy used the flying boots given by Luke, but after they took them, 5 museum guards showed up and turned into Hydra. And Hydra finally got rid of Medusa's head, and it turned into a statue. Next, they went on their way, looking for the third pearl, right at the Lotus Casino. Percy and his friend were trapped in the casino by eating lotus flowers, and Percy finally came to his senses and picked up the pearls at roulette. Eventually, they escaped and went on a journey to hell. After arriving at Hades' home, the drama occurred when Hades saw Percy holding Zeus' thunderbolt on the shield Luke gave him. It turns out Luke was the thief, but Percy and his friend and his mother nearly died trying to get fed into a place of spirits. But Persephone shot Hades with a thunderbolt of Zeus and gave it to Percy. Eventually, they returned home to the world by stepping on the pearl, but Groove had to stay because the pearls were only enough for 3 people. When wanting to get to Olympus, Luke came to snatch Zeus' lightning from him. The battle is won by Percy. Then, Percy heads to Mountain Olympus to return Zeus' lightning bolt to Zeus. And there is no god fighting in Olympus. Okay, maybe that's all I can tell about this novel. Correct me if I'm wrong, and thank you.